Okay, we're gonna start off in a tabletop position and we're gonna round our spine. We're gonna take a deep breath while we do that, and we're doing that for 5 reps. Make sure you're breathing deeply in through your nose and out through your mouth. And then we're going to go right into child's pose. Okay, let's go right into downward facing dog. We're going to press all the way back. Make sure you're pressing so you can feel that nice deep stretch on that hamstring and calf muscles. Okay, let's take it to plank position. And then we're going to come down and lower ourselves and then press all the way back, look up. You'll feel that nice deep stretch on that lower back, and then back to child's pose. Okay, back to down dog. Press all the way back. Feel the nice stretch on the calf muscles. Walk yourself back into plank. Come down and lower. Press up and look all the way up to the sky so you get a deeper stretch on that lower back. And then back to child's pose. Okay, back to downward facing dog, and we're going to take the right leg and bring it all the way up to the sky. And then we're going to come in and we're going to bring that knee all the way to your chin and then come back. And we're going to do that again. And come all the way back. Same thing with the left leg. Knee comes all the way to the chin and up, the chin and up. And then one more time. Come all the way up. Great job, you guys. Okay, now we are pressing all the way back. Down dog. Walk your hands to the front of the mat. Plank. Lower yourself. Come all the way up and look all the way up to the sky. And come back into child's pose. Okay, we're going to come back up into tabletop position and we're going to round our spine again for 5 times. So you really want to make sure you are rounding that spine and you're looking between your legs. Make sure you're breathing. Okay, so now we're going to lay on our backs and we're going to take our left leg and place it over the right, and we're going to interlace our hands through our legs and we're going to pull that right knee all the way back to feel that nice deep stretch on the glutes. And then we're going to switch. Right leg comes over the left. You really want to bend that left knee all the way back so you feel the stretch. Okay, take the legs all the way up, bend them behind your head. You'll feel that nice stretch on that lower back. You don't have to go this far back, just do what you can. And now we're going to go right into happy baby. Okay, for our next segment, now we're going to come down and fold. Let your head just hang down and fold so you feel that nice stretch on that lower back. Come up, fold again. Walk your hands to the front of the mat and go right into plank position. Lower down in chaturanga. Come all the way back and arch that lower back. Okay, come all the way back to child's pose. Back to downward facing dog. all the way up on your tippy toes so you feel a deeper stretch in the calves. And then we're going to alternate stretching our calves, alternate legs, back and forth. Okay, walk your hands back and you're going to fold, lengthen, come all the way up, and lengthen again. Walk your hands back into plank position. Same thing, lower yourself, chaturanga. Come all the way up, arch that back. Back into child's pose. You guys are doing great. Okay, let's go back to down dog. Tippy toes, alternating legs for that calf muscle stretch. Walk your hands back and lengthen. Come all the way up, lengthen again. Then walk your hands back into child's pose. Okay, so now we're going to sit up with our legs crossed, and we're going to just do a quick neck stretch all the way to the left. Roll your neck all the way to the right, back to the left, and then to the right again. Great job, everyone. Namaste.